Aggressive growth and risk-taking. Investment philosophy. Maximize growth by leveraging a long investment horizon and compounding. Recommended funds. 1. Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF (VTI) offers broad exposure to U.S. equities. 2. ARK Innovation ETF (ARKK) focuses on high-growth, disruptive technologies. 3. iShares MSCI Emerging Markets ETF (EEM) exposure to high-growth emerging markets. Why these funds? Younger investors can afford volatility for potentially higher returns. Growth with initial risk management. Investment philosophy. Continue focusing on growth while starting to balance risk. Recommended funds. 1. Fidelity Zero Large Cap Index Fund FNILX, Zero Fee U.S. Large Cap Exposure. 2. iShares Core S&P Mid Cap ETF IJH blend of growth and value in mid-cap stocks. 3. Vanguard Real Estate ETF VNQ diversify with real estate exposure. Why these funds? Combine growth-oriented investments with sector diversification. Diversification and risk mitigation. Investment philosophy. Balance between growth, income, and portfolio stability. Recommended funds. 1. Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF big reliable dividend growers for income and stability. 2. iShares Core MSCI World ETF URTH diversified global equity exposure. 3. Rowe Price Blue Chip Growth Fund TRBCX actively managed growth with a focus on quality companies. These funds introduce stability while maintaining growth potential. Emphasis on income and preservation. Investment philosophy. Transition from aggressive growth to steady income and capital preservation. Recommended funds. 1. Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF SCHD high-yield dividend stocks with consistent payouts. 2. iShares Core U.S. Aggregate Bond ETF AGG diversified bond exposure for income and lower risk. Capital protection and reliable income. Investment philosophy. Prioritize safety, steady income, and minimizing volatility. Recommended funds. 1. Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF VYM reliable dividend income from established companies. 2. iShares U.S. Treasury Bond ETF GOVT safety through government-backed bonds. 3. SPDR Bloomberg 1 to 3 month T-bill ETF built low-risk cash alternatives for liquidity. Why these funds? Ensure a steady income stream and protect capital during retirement. Diversify with index funds. Universal recommendation. 1. Vanguard 500 Index Fund VU low-cost exposure to the S&P 500. 2. iShares Core MSCI Total International Stock ETF IXIS broaden diversification with international markets. Why these funds? Provide foundational diversification for any portfolio. Thematic investing options optional for all ages. Sustainable investing. iShares ESG Aware MSCI USA ETF ESGU focus on environmentally and socially responsible companies. Technology growth. Vanguard Information Technology ETF VGT heavy exposure to tech leaders. Healthcare innovation. ARK Genomic Revolution ETF ARKG invest in biotech and healthcare innovations.